Hi everyone, welcome back to Shereen's Art Corner. Before I get started, I wanted to take a minute out to say thank you to all my subscribers. I have 250 and I really appreciate it. Thank you all for your love and support, and I hope to have these videos coming. For today's video, I wanted to share a new technique I learned from YouTube from the Craftsman Steady Crafting and Corey Dove. They have their tutorials on YouTube and I'll have their link below. But I wanted to give this a try on canvas. They do it on wood and it worked really well. I do a lot of image transfers to canvas, and so I wanted to give it a try. For this example, you can see in the background, I wanted to have this distressed look, so I didn't let the gel medium dry completely before I peeled off. But for the next one, I will wait overnight before we peel the paper off. But basically, for this project, we are going to need a gel gloss medium or a matte medium, whatever one you have on hand. It doesn't have to be LIQUITEX either. You could use golden or whichever medium that you normally use to transfer your images. You are going to need a canvas to apply your image transfer on, a sponge brush or a paintbrush, whichever one you find easiest to use, and a print on laser jet printer. So I have a color laser printer at home, and so I used that. Basically, the trick here is using a mailing label. So you can get a mailing label sheet that has 2 stickers per sheet on it. Basically what you do is you peel off the stickers and print on the glossy side. I know sometimes it feels like you're wasting stuff, but what I do is I stick both of those papers together on sticky side together, and then I use it to draw out or write my notes or give to my kids to color on. Basically, make sure you feed the paper through the printer on the glossy side where it'll print there, and there's also a matte side to this, so make sure you don't print on the matte side. It won't work if you print it on the matte side. Once you get your image printed, and then you're ready to get started.
We are going to just apply a good amount of the gel medium onto the canvas. Make sure you have good coverage. You want to make sure that you have enough medium and it covers everywhere you want the image to transfer. Okay, I'm going to go one way, and then I'm going to go this way. If you wanted to do image transfer on the edges, you could also apply the medium to the edges as well. So a little bit more. Okay. And remember that if you have any writing on your images that you want to transfer, make sure you flip them before you print them, otherwise they are going to come out backwards on your transfer. Okay, so once I have enough on here, so once we have the gel medium applied on the canvas, we are going to, the easiest way I found is just to position your canvas, because it's a smaller canvas, is to place the canvas like this on top of the image and straighten it out. And exactly where you want it. Okay, I'm going to push that down. Okay, I'm just going to flip this over now. And now what you want to do is just make sure you rub it in. And because it's a canvas, it has a give, it'll kind of bend in the middle or indent because it's softer in the middle side. Just make sure you have good contact with the paper and the can.
Okay guys, so I left this to dry overnight, and here is the moment of truth. I'm going to slowly peel back the paper, and as you can see, almost all of the ink is completely transferred over onto the canvas. So this is really exciting because that's going to help me with so many of my projects and saved me so much time. So I'm super excited that I found this technique. I hope you guys found this helpful. Just look at the detail on that. It's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys soon.